Hi students. So in the previous class we discussed some the properties, chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Now again we will discuss remaining concepts. So the reaction with the ammonia, reaction with the ammonia. Okay. So reaction with ammonia with the ammonia. So carboxylic acids when react with ammonia, they form so salt. So then after further they give amides. Okay, na? So carboxylic acids when react with ammonia, they initially gives salts ammonium carboxylate, salt. Okay, ammonium carboxylate. This is further strong heating. That gives amides as a final products. Amide with elimination of water. Amides as a final products. Amines as a final products, right? So the carboxylic acids when reacts with ammonia, they form salts, ammonium carboxylate salt, then further heat amide. The final product is amide. So an example, acetic acid when react with ammonia, so it forms ammonium acetate, ammonium acetate. This is further heating, it forms acetamide. With water. This is acetamide. Okay, acetamide is formed. Okay, so this is a reaction with ammonia. And one more important, that is with the thallic acid. Okay, na? Reaction with the thallic acid. This is COOH and COH, dicarboxylic acid. This is called as a thallic acid. Thallic acid react with ammonia. Okay, when react with ammonia, it forms ammonium phthalate. Forms ammonium phthalate. Okay, this is further heating, it forms thalamide. Okay, forms thalamide by removal of water. Next this is thalamide, and further continually heating. Okay, it finally gives thalamide. This is thalamide. Okay, plus ammonia. Okay, so thallic acid reaction with ammonia, it forms ammonium phthalate, and further heating gives thalamide, and finally, okay, na, thalamide. Okay, now this is thalamide, 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 thalamide. Okay, so take screenshots and reactions. First one is reduction, reduction reactions, reduction reactions. So in the reduction reactions, carboxylic acids when react with lithium aluminium hydride, lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of ether or diborane B2H6 in the presence of water. Okay, diborane, any one of the reagent if you use. Okay, here acidic hydrolysis means H3O plus. So it gives alcohols as a major products. Always mind it, the final product is alcohol. Carboxylic acids reduction jarigite manaku alcohols vastayi. Okay na? So sodium borohydride does not reduce carboxylic group. If you take sodium borohydride, no reaction. Sodium borohydride also reducing agent. This cannot reduce COOH function. Cannot reduce COOH function. Okay na? So only aldehyde ne chestundi. Next to number 2. The oxidation. Oxidation. So at normal conditions they won't further oxidized. Normal conditions అంటే normal temperature and pressure conditions not oxidize, but at a drastic condition, అంటే ఎక్కువ temperature pressure, at drastic conditions upon prolongated heating they finally gives carbon dioxide and water vapor. Conditions oxidized. Okay now, so carboxylic acids, prolongated heating gives CO2 and water vapors. Okay, so బాగా హీట్ చేస్తే మనకు వాటర్ వేపర్స్ వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రియాక్షన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫేమస్ రియాక్షన్ Hell-Voulard-Zelinsky reaction. So carboxylic acids లో one of the named reaction here, Hell-Voulard-Zelinsky reaction, HVZ reaction, HVZ reaction, Hell-Voulard-Zelinsky reaction, one of the most important reaction. Okay, in Hell-Voulard-Zelinsky reaction, what happened? This is alpha halogenation. Alpha position లో halogenation చేయడం. So ఇక్కడ reagents generally, reagents very important. Reagents, chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, okay, and hydrolysis. Okay, and second one is you can use bromine also. Bromine in the presence of red phosphorus ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. బ్రోమిన్ అండ్ క్లోరిన్ దే widely used, followed by hydrolysis. So with respect to COOH function, with respect to this is alpha position. So if you use chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus phosphorus, chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, and followed by hydrolysis. It gives chloroacetic acid, chlorocarboxylic acids, or Cl. Alpha chlorination జరుగుతుంది and okay, H2O removed. Okay, so this is HCl, alpha chlorination అంటాం. alpha chlorocarboxylic acid, alpha chlorocarboxylic acids are the products. Okay, right. So some examples. Acetic acid when react with chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, first gives alpha chlorination, alpha monochloroacetic acid, monochloroacetic acid. Okay, this is further chlorination, chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, again dichlorination, dichloroacetic acid, and further again chlorination in the presence of red phosphorus up to completion of alpha hydrogens. The chlorine will be attack. Okay, if you take excess chlorine, these are the products. Okay, now excess chlorine, these are the products. Okay, now if chlorine is less amount, chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus, so chlorine is less moles, less తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఓన్లీ monochloroacetic acid వస్తుంది. Only this is the product. Okay, so one more example I will give. COOH, bromine in the presence of red phosphorus. So with respect to this is alpha position. Here bromine takes place. Okay, like this. So alpha halogenation, this is the Hell-Vollard-Jelensky reaction. That is alpha position, right? This is alpha position. Okay, alpha bromination. Okay, so now the next reaction is reaction of salts of acids. Reaction of